Let's see how to fix not capitalizing first letter of each sentence automatically in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and type in our text, for example. And as you can see, first letter of this sentence has not been capitalized. Now, by default, Microsoft Word has this feature where whenever you click on enter after typing in your sentence or anything that ends with a period, that first letter of the sentence will automatically be capitalized. However, in this case, as you can see, this first letter right here is still in lowercase. And instead, what we can do to fix this is click on the File tab. And from here, click on Options and click on Proofing. Now click on AutoCorrect options, and you can see under AutoCorrect right here the checkbox to capitalize the first letter of sentences. Now let's simply check that. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Let's go ahead and type in our sentence. And as you can see, our sentence first letter is now capitalized. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.